We're live, chat. All right, let's go. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Is it Thursday today? Right? It's Thursday, right? Yes, it is Thursday. Happy Thursday, everybody. Good morning, Jake Dell, Sean Evans, Michael Michael, good morning. Trader 808, Frosty Ducks, Trader 007, Hawkeye Boy, good morning, Francis. John, good morning, John. Micro Player, Black Coffee Trader is in the house. Good morning. Rad Poker, good morning, Rad. Good to see you. Good to have you here. Eric J, Niles, Cremator, Jeremy Does Art, Antonio, Golf Guy Mike is here. Good morning. Oh, we got to get our clock up. Touchdown, SW Blaze, Stinkfinger's here. J Mark, good morning. Louise, Paddle Trader, the Great Dane. Good morning. All right, here we go. I want to see what this does. I'm going to be trading my Apex accounts. I mean, I'm looking for longs. It's kind of an interesting overnight session. I got stopped out on a long right here. That's why we're down a little bit. But basically, the overnight lows are all the way down here, the 760s. I don't really see us going that low, but I don't know. This is looking, it looks pretty bullish, but we had a pretty big sell-off at the open yesterday. I'm just going to be a little bit patient. I'm going to try not to chase. I'm going to try to be patient. Also, let's go, chat. We have officially a Take Profit Trader payout approved. Funds have already been removed. And $2,000 payout. That's after the profit split. So it's a great day, chat. I'm not going to get upset today. You guys, the market cannot upset me today. Just not going to happen. We're gonna have a great day. Hey, good morning, Ace Undercover. Good morning. Carry on. Good morning, Jay Wilson, Ace Undercover. Good morning, the Great Dane. All right, market is open. We are ripping. That's what I was afraid of. I don't really have a plan. If the market just rips straight up, I don't really have a plan for that, which is unfortunate. I'm probably just going to watch it go. I don't want to chase the longs, and I also, you know what? If the market just rips straight up, it's fine, and we're just going to be patient until the first 15 minutes is over. We're going to wait for a nice pullback, and then we will get in. The only way I'm buying is if we make a move down into like the 950 area, I'll look to buy. Till then, I'm just going to be patient. Patience is key. Heads up, might pull back at the open. I mean, yeah. Hey, if you buy one Apex account and you get to live, can you get 5 accounts with just one eval? Rad Poker, that is a great question, because according to their live seminar, like I think so, right? So I'm going to ask them. I have a couple questions that I need clarity on. Hang on. The other thing that I want clarity on was, okay, how does it work with, so what I want to know is if you add another account, if you get another live account, that 3K drawdown, I just want to verify that 3K drawdown does not come out of your, basically that doesn't remove, how would I say? It doesn't come out of your vault. All right, market. We're at least we're not just going straight up, so that's good. Man, I don't know what it is about this charting. Like my laptop, like trading from my laptop, I'm not sure what's different. I tried to figure it out, but it just feels like my candles are very slim. Like they're not wide enough and enough spacing in between them. Like it drives me crazy. It doesn't seem like it is at my PC, but I don't know what it is. It just doesn't look the same. All right, we are finally pulling back. Here we go, the 20s. Again, I'm going to look like the 980s. I might take a stab at the 980s. Right here, the 20s could be, it could be okay, but I'm hoping we can get in at the 980s. This also is bringing, it's bringing back a little bit of flashbacks from yesterday's open. Man, these 20s are interesting, though. Can I just scalp this? I'm going to try to scalp it. All right, we played around. We messed around. All right, wait. This thing doesn't seem very... Man, this is where it's the hardest. At least for me, this is so hard to wait. Okay, we're in it. Now we got to see the ripper. Really just want to rip back into the 20s. That's it. Now go. Go. Come on. Give me that one absolutely ripper. Just straight up. Can we get it? Come on, go. Go. We got to get above the 20s. Come on. Get above the 20s. You can do it. You can do it. I don't want to get greedy, but I'm going to take it off. I don't know. I'm going to take it off. I'm okay with that. Hey, good morning, Bella. Black Magic, good morning. So also, obviously, you probably guys have heard. If you guys haven't heard, Apex came out with some changes in a sense of pricing the biggest thing I would say, at least for me, or the thing that made me go, oh, now that's nice. You can now buy 5 accounts at a time. It actually made me, that actually makes a difference. When I think about buying like 10 Apex accounts, you know, the first thing that goes into my mind is like, how many buttons do I have to click? And it's like, oh my gosh, I'm just not in the mood. That's my first thought. So I love that you can buy 5 at a time. And they also, if you do buy 5 at a time, you get an additional discount. So if you buy 5 at a time, now you can get the 50K account is basically, I got to do the math. 19, I think it's, I got to look. I'm bad at math. So if you buy the 50K intraday, this is intraday, it's $19 for a 50K intraday accounts. So that, like, that is with the PA fee. The PA fee on that is $79. But then the other thing that Apex changed is you can now choose no activation fees. So if you don't like activation fees and you want a lower cost, it's a little bit higher cost up front, but then no activation fees. You can get the 50K intraday with the, if you do the 5-pack, you can get it for as low as $69 all in. So the $69 intraday account, all in pricing without an activation fee is $69 per account. Now that's if you do the 5-pack. So, I mean, that's definitely competitive in the, like, in the industry. That's good. But obviously the end of day accounts, they're definitely, I think Apex is realizing how good the end of day accounts are. So the end of day account pricing didn't change that much. The intraday accounts is kind of what changed. The end of day, it's like $45 for a single. It's $39.90 if you do a 5-pack on the end of day, and then the activation fee is $99. So, I mean, definitely, I like that. I mean, I just like that they give you more options. Now, if you know, if you want to, if you don't like activation fees, it's definitely better, and it just gives you way more options. And again, the other thing, I'm actually curious, people in the chat. So people in the chat that have been eval banned. So if you have been eval banned for a while, I'm not saying you have to buy anything. I'm actually curious to see if you got unbanned, because, man, we got to pay attention here, because supposedly the people that were eval banned, they can now buy the intraday accounts. They can't buy the end of day, but you can now you're unbanned and you can now buy the intraday accounts. Supposedly, I'm trying to get some feedback from my chat. Wait, Golf Guy Mike, I got unbanned, but only legacy account. Oh, you're saying only the intraday accounts, Golf Guy Mike? Okay, Krista R, you got unbanned. PTA, you're still banned. IB Trader is still banned. So I'm assuming you guys are checking now, because it supposedly happened like in the last day. But interesting. So there's still people banned. Okay. Apex trying to make up for the Trash Live program. Yeah, I mean, again, Rad Poker, that's actually a really good question. I'm gonna see if I can get some answers on that. I'm gonna see. There we go. I'm going to see Rad Poker. I'm going to see if that's the case. All right, I might try another long here. Come on, just rip it. Oh, no, I'm only in one contract. I did not mean to do that. Ah. Oh, man. All right, well, do I add one? This market, it's starting to feel bad. That was a fake out and a half. Unbelievable. I am not a big fan of this. That was a fake out trap for the longs. I might close this. I'm going to keep it, though. The 950s is really where I wanted to get long. I'm just going to be patient here. I might add one at the 950s here. Never mind. Man, this is looking very similar to yesterday. I am not a big fan. Not a big fan. Is it going to rip now? Come on. I probably bailed on that a little bit too quickly. I'm going to wait. I don't want to get trapped again on a long. I'm going to wait. But I wish I would have just kept. I should have held. We were only 6 points below my entry. Really didn't need to bail there. Ah. Wait, Kane is short. What do you mean Kane is? Oh, Trader Kane? Ah. Hey, Dan Flint. Said probably sounds like it could be the issue. Okay, Bulls might take back 987. Does anyone check Apex's math? I have 3 blown evals. When I do the math, I did not hit 2K drawdown. You're off by a couple hundred. Dan Flynn, I mean, that's a Tradeovate thing or Rhythmic, whatever. Like, that's where it's set at. But especially with volatility, it can be, oh, wow, look at that. Okay, maybe we did do the right thing getting out. Look at this thing just continuing to bleed lower. All right. I mean, I don't know. We might go test the 880s right here. 890s, 880s. I'm actually debating about taking a short. I'm debating it. Man, I don't want to take many more. I don't want to take much more of a loss on these accounts. All right, I might try the 920s, 930 area here. Kind of crazy. This is very similar to yesterday. Very similar. Man, so hard not to jump in here long. Oh. I mean, who knows? Maybe we want to test the overnight lows all the way down here to the 780s. But man, I like, I'm gonna try another long. And I'm 920s. I'm gonna add. This is gonna be my last probably my last trade on these accounts if this doesn't work. Man, we're just seeing like no buyers. Like no buyers right now. And it's very slow moving. Kind of scary. Kind of scary being long here. All right, this is it. We got a rip. We got, whoa! Whoa! What was that? Chat! Keep going! What the Sam Hill was that? Please don't fake out. Please don't fake out. What was that? Was there news? Hey, D-Versatility, good morning. Good morning. Your chart should have settings for candles, Lee and P. I'm going to look for it, but not right now. Oh, I don't know what was that. Come on, market. You got to keep going now, right? We got to keep going. Rip it. Man, I was waiting for a sweep of the 20s. Once we swept the 20s, I was going to add two more, and I never got the chance. But I mean, I'll take this. Just rip it straight up into the 30,000. Come on. I'm still worried this is just going to fall right back down. Come on, go. Rip it. Oh, it should be in the data series. Okay, I'm going to look at it. There we go. Go, baby. Go. Come on, baby. Rip it. I probably should take it off here. I'm kind of asking for just being an idiot if I don't. Come on. I mean, okay. I mean, this thing might rip straight back up, though. That's the bad. I just don't trust it. I'm going to take my profit, and we can always re-enter. We just got to wait for a pullback. We'll take it. Hey, Lassifor Trades. Good morning, Lassifor. Good morning. I'm still blocked in Apex. Yeah, I got your email, Lassifor. Hey, good morning. How we doing? Good to see you. Hey, thank you, MVP. Also, a lower Tory tan line trend line. All right. Well, I'm glad I took my profit. Man, I want to get these Apex accounts green. I love to do like I'd love to do a $250 green day on the Apex accounts. Oh man, look at this. We should go short. Oh, chat, we should probably short this. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure I can pull the trigger though. I know I should short. This is a good setup. Short at the 63s. Chat. I feel like one thing I've noticed, I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but I have noticed my continuation strategy trade, it has in the last 2 weeks or last week, it has been way better. Not getting quite as many fake outs. We're seeing a little bit better continuation on some of these moves than we have in the past. Seemed in the past like every single continuation, like it was just V-shaped reversals. Now, I mean, this might be a trap now, but I feel like we've definitely seen a better, like the market's been a little bit better at showing that continuation. So I am definitely watching it, and I'm going to be a little bit more, I'm going to be a little more interested in taking those continuation trades to the downside. But it's still very discretionary. Also, we are going to be doing a giveaway today. We are going to do a giveaway today. Yeah, that looks like it was a trap. That was a trap. I think we can get above the 30,000 level. I think it's safe to look for longs. Man, I can't believe this thing. I mean, we literally touched the 920s. The low of that candle was 29,920 and a quarter. Huh. And right back up we go. Hey, K Trader K, good morning. Tech 111, good morning. TCM Trades, good morning. Good to see you. M Brown, good morning. IB Trader, good morning. Okay, yeah, let's see if we can find now. Okay, so I know I can change. Like the bar width, but I've noticed if I change that, it just reverts right back. I don't know. And I think like if I change it to 4 and apply, it looks weird. Yeah, see that doesn't look any better. That looks worse. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Oh man, we are rejecting once again. I am really contemplating taking a short here. You know what? Man. Hmm. All right, market. All right, that's kind of our answer. We are above the 30,000s. All right, I'm gonna shift my bias. I'm gonna look for longs. I'm gonna look for longs. No need to complicate this. No need to complicate it. Hang on, Chad. I need to check on the landscaping guys did not finish it yesterday. Man, this is so every time I'm like, okay, we're only looking for longs. I get a candle like this that just see now this we did not close above the 30,000s. Now I want to go short. Oh, that looks like such a tempting short. I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna chase it. Not gonna chase it. Chad, I'm getting very tempted here to short. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it only on 1 micro. That's how much confidence I have. just don't have much confidence in it, but man, the setup is there. Can we get a follow through? Sorry, Chad. I'm trying to read text messages on the landscaping stuff. Got too much stuff going on. What in the Sam Hill? Oh my gosh, I got to pay attention, chat. What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I got distracted. Oh no, I got to get out of this. I need to, okay, we need to focus up here. Too many distractions. I'm trying to do too many things at once. I literally forgot I had a trade on. Unbelievable. That's annoying. That is annoying. Hang on, let me fix. I need to. What a rip. What a rip, chat. We got trapped. We got trapped. I think now it's safe to say we can look for longs. No more shorts. None of it. What a rip. Now I think we just... Do I trust this pullback? Oh, this thing is starting to get violent. Do we trust this? Oh, I'm getting... I don't know. Come on, just rip it straight back up, market. You can do it. I'm getting scared. Come on. This is what I want. I want the highs right here. Let's go. Make up for my blunder. Man, if I just was paying attention, that's so dumb. Ribbit! Go! Yeah, I don't know about this. Rip it right here. Do it. Do it! Right here. Pop it. Go! Oh! Oh! Let's go! Let's go, chat! Oh, my word! What? Oh, let's... Oh, I should... Oh, my gosh! Oh, talk about a ripper. Is that news? That had to be some kind of news, chat. We are... that thing... now, that was a ripper candle if I have ever seen one. Let's go! What happened? Oh, I'm tempted to chase this. Oh, I'm tempted. Something's happening. Something is happening. I'm feel like I shouldn't chase, but man, I want to. Man. I want to chase this so bad. The war must be over again. We have world peace for the 300th time. Look at this daily chart. Look at this daily chart. Like, if somebody would tell you, this is what is so crazy. If somebody would tell you that from here to here, we have been on again, off again, between war and not war and peace and war, it's insane. It's insane. What a ripper candle, man. All right. I mean, I would love to re-enter the 30,100s, but oh, this is where I get in trouble. But man, I want to buy this pullback so bad. Oh, here we go, chat. Here we go. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm going to press the button and close my eyes. Close my eyes. I don't want to see. Rip it! Rip it! Go! 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 Thank you. I'll take that. That's all I wanted. Oh, are you? Oh my God. I was only in 1 micro. No way. I was only in 1 micro. Oh, well, it's still, it's all right. Wow, look at this thing. It is so bullish right now. That had, I mean, what was the news, chat? That had to be chat. That had to be news related. Let me look. Let's go look at financial juice. Breaking: US and Iran reach a deal, but they need Trump's final approval. Oh, chat, tell me it's not going to be, oh, we're going to be, hey, we have reached a deal, but we need Trump's final approval. I mean, what could go wrong? It's too easy. U.S. Iran reached an agreement on a 60-day to extend the truce. I mean, we're going to have a peace deal, and here's what's going to happen. They're going to start bombing each other again, and then they're going to say, well, but you didn't say I couldn't bomb this particular place, like they have in the past. Oh, it's insane. I mean, I want to go long. I just want to keep holding, but I've been around too long to know how these things work. As soon as this thing starts ripping, all of a sudden we get another news-related something news-related, and it'll be like Iran says they never talked and agreed to any deal, and then we're right back down. I agree, Kevin G. It is kind of interesting that Iran, but it says breaking: U.S. and Iran reach deal. Like, who is saying they reached a deal? Is it the U.S. saying that we reached a deal with Iran? Or is it Iran saying, hey, we finally reached a deal with the U.S.? Like, which one is it? Because that matters. Because if Iran comes out and it's like, actually, that's not true, we never said that, then it's like, well, back to the drawing board. Right back where we started. No, it's starting to rain. I need it to not rain so they can finish my landscaping. I don't think those guys care if it rains or not. They just keep working. All right, definitely looks like we've calmed down. What a rip, man. That was, where was my target set at? I definitely could have gotten way more out of that trade if I didn't have a target, but oh well. We're happy. Now, if I just didn't take that $100 loss, we'd be green. Unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Gold. Oh, really? Is gold going crazy? I'm not seeing a peace deal on Fox Live. Oh, really? Inflation is up 3.8%. Yeah, NT. Inflation up 3.8%. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Inflation, I mean, that's all. Who cares about inflation, chat? Who cares? Just print more money. Just print more money. How hard can it be? You know, if you really stop and think about it, you know, just print more money. It's not that bad. All right, I might try it again, chat. We might. I'm not gonna be brave here. Give me that ripper. Come on, baby. Rip it. Oh, I mean, 1 micro again? That's great. Why do I keep doing this? Fine. Watch the market just sell off again. That would just be perfect. That would be just exactly normal. I think we go higher though. I'm gonna hold. We gotta hold. I might add at the 60s, I'll add one. What could go wrong? How hard can it be? Hello, market. Did you forget that there was news? The news was good news, okay? The news was good. You should go up. Yes, like that. Go up, up. Go uppity, uppity. Is Apex unbanning people now, or did you just get lucky? They are unbanning people. You probably can only purchase the intraday evals, but yes, Apex was doing a massive unbanning, so that's what I was told. But you're very likely restricted to only purchasing the intraday accounts. So it's kind of like my mom said, don't look a gift horse in the mouth. You just take it. Come on, market. We really need to rip above the 30,100s here. She got to go right here. Rip it. This could easily be the old hope and nope strategy right here. We have seen it a lot of times. Hope and nope right now. If this is hope and nope, we're going to tickle the 30,100s, and then it's going to drop right back down. Oh, we might be onto something, chat. We might be onto something. Hey! Hey! Somebody is green, chat. Somebody got green. Somebody's green. Let's shut her down, boys. First time subscriber. Nice to hear clean talk. You're welcome. This is a family friendly show, chat. Everybody knows. We're very family friendly. There's only a couple times where you will see somebody, you'll see me get very upset. I get very angry sometimes. I get very angry, but I internalize a lot of my thoughts. I don't verbalize some of the things that I'm thinking. That's something my mom told me. My mom taught me, if you got nothing nice to say, don't say anything at all. There are times where I forget about it, but it's too easy. Yeah, except for the tan lines. There are some terminology that we have to, but it's in the course. Tori's tan line trades, it's like in a course, so we got to talk about it. It's not my fault. I've been following for years, and I've only heard you cuss once. Please do not clip that. Oh man, I really don't cuss. I don't cuss in real life when I'm off stream either. Okay, market, what are we doing? Look at that. We should have held, chat. We should have held. We could have held. All right, now we actually need to decide what we want to do. We got options here. We could, option A, here's our different options. Option A, we just close down the Apex accounts. It's one of those days where I feel like we could go up and down and up and down. It's option A. Option B, we could do a one more trade kind of scenario check. We all know how those end up. One more trade, I don't think has ever gone wrong. One more trade, and then if it's a nice win, if we do one more trade and it's a nice green trade, then we keep pushing to try to get to $250 day locked in. That's option B. Option C, we lock the Apex accounts and we trade our take profit accounts. What do I smell? Hang on, chat. It's just, I had to double check on the wife. I got a very unique smell. I had a unique smell that I smelled just now. Then had to check on the wife. There might have been, I need to tell you guys a story. The other, last week, I forget, it was in Ohio. It was in our Ohio home. And I was downstairs. My wife was downstairs. We were doing our budget. Where I was trying to negotiate how much I can spend on prop firm accounts every month. And I was trying to negotiate trying to buy a new drone. I'm still working on that. But I was downstairs and all of a sudden I start to smell something. I'm like, honey, what do I smell? And I go and we go upstairs and there, let's just say the house was completely like, it was so smoky. And here my wife, she put a plastic bowl. There was like a plastic bowl sitting on our oven, and we have one of those flat top ovens. And I guess she accidentally turned on one of the burners, and this plastic bowl literally got melted, and it was, I mean, it was pretty bad. We had to, let's just say we had to air out the house quite a bit. And I was like, I gotta, so now when I get any kind of smell that doesn't smell quite right, we gotta go into action immediately. We gotta double check things right away. That's not very Amish of her. I'm gonna tell her that. Now don't get that confused. Don't think that means she can't cook. All right, she's a great cook. You can tell by my physique. I can show you a picture of me before I was married, and I can show you a picture of me 10 years after marriage, and you can see that there's definitely evidence. She's a great cook. What's your prop firm allowance per month? It's $5,000. I have a $5,000 allowance per month to spend on prop firm accounts. Very strictly enforced as well. John, you walked in once and you smelled smoke. The dryer was on fire? No. And you called 911 and 14 emergency units showed up from 3 towns. John, they must have been bored. They must have all been sitting around and just waiting. They were waiting for that call. As soon as they heard of smoke, everybody just whoosh. Oh, man. How long do I have to activate my past eval? You have 7 days, Tatoka. 7 days. So you've got 7 days to, once you've got them passed, you got 7 days to activate it. The dryer motor was on fire. How? Was it just plugged in and turned on that long? And it just went up in flames? Or like, that's crazy. How much have I spent this month? Here, let's see. How much have I spent this month? We shall see. Dun, 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 dun. So this much. Look at this. Look at this. We spent $4,137. That's, but see, chat, you got to remember, I'm trying. I need to go a little below budget because I need to negotiate buying a drone. Okay. We need to negotiate this somehow. I'm going to have to buy a new drone. Very likely. You were gone only 10 minutes, John? That's crazy. They get so bored here. Only thing that happens is the occasional domestic abuse. Oh, I see, John. So you had the dryer running in for 10. I see. Oh, that's crazy. Do I know Funded Seat? I've heard of Funded Seat. I don't use them. Just have the charts be recorded by the drone instead of the camera. Ooh, good idea, Golf Guy Mike. I could fly the drone like in here just a couple times per stream, shoot a little video, and I can use that as content. Boom, tax write-off for the drone. I like the way you're thinking, Golf Guy Mike. I could do the same thing with my golf clubs, right? Negotiate like Trump. You, oh man. All right, market. Hey, how you doing, honey?
What's this honey here?
We're here to. Oh my word! I should show. Oh, I forgot that we took a picture. Everybody in chat, honey. Everybody in chat. Everybody agreed that I deserve a new drone.
But they don't know you like I do.
Right, chat? Back me up on this. Oh, we might need to trade this. Next month, honey. Next month. Gotta get a new drone. Nutty needs a new drone. Yep. Be careful what you say here, chat. Remember who's in control of the channel. I have the ability to ban you. So just keep that in mind when you keep that in mind. She wants a new bag. Now we're talking. I know she doesn't need a new bag, but she might want a new purse or a new dress. Who knows? But we can talk about it. We can talk about it. If you keep rigging the duck races for me, I agree. You know what? We need to do a duck race today. We haven't done a duck race in a while. She's reading the chat. We might be cooked.
No, listen. The jury's still out on whether you actually flew it into the pool on purpose.
She's trying to say that I flew the drone into the pool on purpose.
I wasn't here. You were by yourself. And
just because I wanted to upgrade.
You've been saying you want a new drone.
I would never do that, honey. I'd never do that. But hey, it is kind of odd that we have security footage. We have the security camera out back, and somehow that footage just never got recorded. Exactly. That is definitely a little bit unique, but
something's afoot.
It is weird. The footage didn't record. Here, this is what it recorded. Let me look. Let me see if I can show you guys. Oh, let me find it. Oh, did I? I think I recorded it. Yeah, here it is. So this is the only footage we have. This is the only footage that the camera actually recorded. And hey, this is not, I'm just saying this is how it is. This is me with the garden rake about 40 seconds after the drone was already in. Wait, can I zoom in? Why can I not zoom in, chat? What? Let's make sure it's in full HD. But right there, you can see the drone, okay? You can see it right. I can't zoom in. I don't know why I can't zoom in, but right there is the drone. And that's me right here. This is me fishing it out of the drone. And that drone is so cooked. But that's the only thing that's the only thing that the camera recorded. So unfortunate. Would have actually been an epic fail if somebody would have recorded it. It's only you scooping it out after your wife flew it into the pool. What the heck? Get my wife on camera. I've been trying. She refuses. She's like, she does not want to be on camera. So flying drones and trading NQ underlie the same risk management. Yes, very much. Yeah, I discovered drones cannot swim. That is true. Did you see the interview with Daryl? He said in a prompt that anyone that bashes Apex will be banned. I did not see that, Raider for Life. Can somebody check if my code still works? I'm just kidding. I think it depends. I think what Daryl actually said was people that hate the live program and if people are going to publicly bash the live program and they don't like it, then he's going to remove them from the program. It's like, hey, you don't like it? You don't want to be in it? Hey, let me do yourself a service. And here you go. You don't have to participate. Yeah, I know there are actually some drones that can go underwater, but this was not one of them. That's for sure. Man, the market now is just stuck here, stuck at the 140s, between the 140 and 120s. I think I've decided what we're going to do, Chad. We are going to take one more trade on these Apex accounts. One more trade. How hard can it be? Now, we might do more than one if it's a win. So if we have a trade and it's a nice green trade, then we are going to do another trade. If it's a loss, well, if it's a loss, we all know who knows what could happen. But one more trade. Dan Taloy Dan. Dan Taloy Dan does not miss. Trade the range. It's too easy. Oh. Hey, right now it does seem like we just got to look for longs. Wait, was Miss Nutty Bar in here? Where is Miss Nutty Bar in? Was she in? Was she typing in the chat? I don't think so. Gonna have to keep an eye on her. Gonna have to keep an eye on that one. Oh, you just mentioned she was reading the chat. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, we're good. Can you copy trade in NinjaTrader? Yes, you can. You do need to have an additional software. Like I use Replicanto. It's basically you pay for it, you download it, you install it into NinjaTrader, and then you can copy trade. It looks like this. You just select which ones you want to copy trade and boom. It does it like automatically and stuff. It's pretty cool. Help me out. Apex 50K account that costs just 45 now. Is this the total cost like TBT does? You mean if it has an activation fee? Well, let me help you out. Let me help you out. Let me help you out. I'll show you. So, so you start here. Okay, so if you do end of day, right? If you do end of day and you do standard, standard means there will be, and you go to 50K, just click on this drop down. Okay, see, everything is very clearly spelled out. Click on this drop down for performance account. You can see the standard is still a $99 one-time activation fee for the funded account. That is $45. Now, if you do a 5-pack, that brings the price down to $39 each. So if you go the no activation route on the end of day, then it's quite a bit more expensive. It's $109 for one at a time or $89. So you save quite a bit of money by buying 5 at a time on the end of day, no activation fee, 50 KSIs. Your all-in cost for an end of day with a 5-pack is $89. So, I mean, it's kind of like, you know, it's kind of like what I said in the past. If you go intraday, no activation fee on a 50K, $69 all in, no activation fee on a 5-pack. That's pretty, you know, that's pretty good. But I think this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do end of day and I'm going to do the standard. I don't know. See, okay, if you go the no activation route, right? I don't know what I'm going to do, man. Maybe I do. I don't know. My thing is, if I go the no activation route, I get so upset if I don't pass the first try. If I don't pass the first try, it really, really grinds my gears. So I kind of still like the standard. $39 each. It gives me basically, I mean, I know that the activation fee is $99, but I don't know. I've always been kind of a guy that I would rather pay a lower cost to pass, be a little bit more aggressive on passing. Once I pass, I just don't mind as much, but you just never know. If I knew I could pass on the first try, obviously I would do the no activation fee, obviously. But, you know, if you don't pass and it takes you 3 tries to pass, that is not a good time. And then it's like you already started, so it's like, do you just keep going? That's the part that I don't like. All right, market. I'm gonna buy here. We're gonna trade the range, chat. We are going to trade the range. Do you know why? Because it's too easy. That's why. It's too easy. Please do not make me look like an idiot, market, and go high. Please go higher. We might be cooked. Just go no activation fee, but don't chase to pass in one day. I mean, I agree, kind of. Here's my dilemma with that theory. Come on, market. Please just go fill me. Please hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, please. Are you joking right now? There we go. Now just keep going higher. But see, the problem is, okay, here's where my dilemma comes in. If I do the no activation fee, the thing is they have the evals have a $1,000 data loss limit. So if I'm up $1,000 on those accounts, I feel like it's actually smarter to keep pushing to try to pass in one day. Because if you're up 1,000 and then you wait until the next day, you start over with only $1,000 drawdown or data loss limit, where if you keep trading now, you actually have $2,000. You basically, I don't know, that's how I look at it. So I have a hard time just, I don't know, if I'm up on the day, then I like to kind of keep pushing it, but you got to be smart too. I don't know. There's multiple ways to do it, but market, you're supposed to go up. Can we not do this dog and pony show? I probably should have just taken my profit up here. Ribbit! Ribbit! I'm just going to take my profit. There you go, chat. Now we can keep trading. We can keep trading. So Apex is making some rules like Lucid, but is it a monthly renewal? No, it is not a monthly renewal. No. But, so one thing to remember, Apex evals expire after 30 days. They disappear. Absolute, just disappear into the ether. Into the abyss. And we're likely going to rip now. Go figure, chat. Go figure. It's too easy. Just trade the range. How much is it to activate a single 50K account? Rewind the video, simplistic videos. I literally just got done showing it. I don't remember. It's $79 for intraday and $99 for end of day, I think. But double check. And there she goes. Wah, wah. Should have held. I should have held. Whatever. Lucid Max accounts are good. Where is the 50K Apex for $19? Oh, dear. You know what? Hang on. Let me show you. The 50K, if you want the 50K Apex, here. The 50K Apex, you have to go intraday, standard, 50K, and you have to buy the 5-pack. If you buy the 5-pack, it's $95 for 5 accounts, which equals $19 each. With, obviously, code NBT. Yeah, but I assumed you guys already know that. Obviously, you can use any code you want. I'm not going to be one of those guys that tells you that, oh, you're going to only get this deal with code NBT. That's just not true. You can get it with any code. But if you choose to use code NBT, just know that I appreciate it. All right, 172s. We gotta rip. We gotta make new highs here. 180. We gotta get above the 180s. We gotta get above the 180s. Lee and P. Lee and P. He said what he said. Yeah, I would appreciate it. And my wife would appreciate it as well because she wants a new bag. She wants a Gucci bag, chat. I'm just kidding. I'm pretty sure she doesn't want a Gucci bag. But I don't know. Maybe she does. It's one way to find out. Chat, my lawn, my landscaping, oh, that looks so good. Hey, we are going to make new highs. There she goes. Yeah, there she goes. Am I muted? No, I'm not muted. One styling Amish lady. Can you imagine? See, in our community, you could show up with a Gucci bag. I'm not sure most people would even know the difference. I don't think. Maybe I'm out of pop. I don't know. Maybe people would notice, but I don't think most people would even know. Can you imagine, like, if I would go and get a Ferrari or like a Lamborghini, if I would go get a Lamborghini and start driving around like where I live at in Ohio, I would be so embarrassed. I would be embarrassed beyond. I would do it. There's just no way. You would be talked about in not so much a great, you wouldn't be talked about in a good way. But chat, you know what I need here? You know what? Here, let me show you something. Let me show you something. Talking about, man, of course I can't, I'm going to have a hard time finding this. Okay, here. Oh, we found it. Okay, I got to turn on my sound because you guys need to hear this. You guys need to hear this. This happened in Amish country over the weekend. This is a horse auction, okay?
and sure you would. Now 75 and 575 and 575 and 575. Dollar down to get down, buddy. Better get down 575, 600 pounds and 600 pounds and 600 pounds and down to get down 625 and 625, 55 and 625. Dollar down to get down 625. Dollar down to get down, buddy. You want to pay 50 and 650 pounds and 650 pounds and dollar down to get down, buddy. Better get down, sick it a half, sick it a half, sick it a half, sick it a half, sick it a half. Dollar down to get down 300 and 650 pounds now 700 and 700 pounds and 700 pounds.
$700,000. Now that's how you flex when you're Amish. So just imagine that horse sold for $700,000. That's how you flex in Amish country. And just imagine that horse could die tomorrow morning. It's crazy. It's cray.
And sure you would. Now 75 and 575 and 575 and 575. Dollar down to get down, buddy. Better get down 575, 600 pounds and 600 pounds and
and that is 100% real. Oh, it's crazy, man. Isn't it against Amish conviction to use electric microphones? Nah. First of all, it's not the Amish auction. It's not the Amish that actually are doing the auction. They're just there to buy. It's crazy. More money than brains. Oh, it's crazy, man. And we are ripping higher. Man, where is our all-time highs? All-time highs are up here at the 378s. I mean, you got to think we're going to go right back up, right? This thing is just going straight up again. It's okay. We are going to be patient. We're going to be good boys, and I'm going to wait for the pullbacks, and then we're going to buy again. It's a very nice horse, but not $700,000 nice horse. Don't get me started. Don't get me started. Now, it is a stud. It is a stud. That horse is a stud, and he will, they sell stud fees, so it is a investment. We are ripping just right back up. Man, what a move higher. Wow. Buying right here at the 80s, that was definitely the right play. Too bad we couldn't hold. It's unfortunate. I wish I could do better at holding. Most of the horses running in the Kentucky Derby didn't cost that much to buy. That's crazy to think about, AJ, but true. Yeah, but you gotta know. Did you know? Did you know that the Amish are responsible for buying most of the horses? Most of the horses that come out off the track, almost all of them go to into the Amish distribution. There's huge horse dealers in the Amish. Horse dealing and horse dealers are it's a big business. Crazy. Are we going to have to wait another month and a half for those Apex Live accounts? Sucks we have to wait so long after they closed all our accounts. Yeah, I agree, Sunil. I agree. I really wish it wouldn't be like that. I mean, I was trying to get some information on it. I'm getting it. I'm getting a little bit stonewalled right now because I spoke out against the live program and a little bit too much, maybe. So getting a little bit of blackballed or blueballed. But I do think it's coming and it's getting close. You live about 45 minutes from my Amish community in Kentucky, so I see a lot of, oh yeah, AJ. Yep. All right, market, we need a pullback. We need a pullback. How's the Tradeify Grand Cup going? Ah, man, I think I got a kick out of the Tradeify Grand Cup. The one guy, I think it was Big Daddy Max. They had a pillow fight. The first round contestant, it was him, Big Daddy Max, if you don't know the guy. I don't even know what name does he go by in the, okay, here. So, and this was hilarious. Oh, man. Let me find it. I need to find him. But between him and so look, it was between him and this guy. They had a pillow fight. You gotta love it. Oh, you gotta love it. I think it's pretty cool. You can see all their trades. It's kind of neat. I kind of like it. I like looking through them. I just wish I was in the, I wish I would be having so much fun trading in that contest. That would be so much fun going 1-to-1. Like the head-to-head matches, it's kind of genius. It's kind of genius. It's definitely not a perfect like end-all be-all. Is Scooter Boy doing good? I don't even know. I think he advanced by like a couple $100. So I think he advanced, I think. Hey, are we getting a pullback? Okay, let's pay attention here. Let's pay attention. Let's get a pullback into the 200s right here. Come on. Please come down. Give me a pullback. Now, you know what we need to be careful of, chat? I just realized this. That afternoon bleed lower. That afternoon bleed lower. I'm a little concerned about it. I'm a little bit concerned, but I'm gonna keep looking to buy on these pullbacks. But come on, man, we gotta get a little more of a pullback than that. I promise most of the outlaws would not even be in the top 1,000 if they had to compete. Yeah, I agree, Wall Street. I 100% agree. But hey, it is what it is. Dude, did you see Brett Simba? Brett Simba lost. So the guy that beat him, he gets 25,000. He gets 25,000 just to beat him. And he only had to make like $500 profit to beat him. Oh, man. I mean, that would be nice. That would be nice. I thought the funniest match I saw, here, let me find it for you guys. I thought this was the most, this was so funny. I just thought it was so funny. So I don't know if you guys know, I know JMU listens sometimes. I'm not sure. Maybe he's not here right now. But JMU was trading against PTR Trades. And PTR Trades, he has a Twitter, JMU has a Twitter, and PTR Trades is an ICT trader, okay? So he's an ICT trader, and he was talking all this trash, and he has a paid, I don't know if it's a paid Discord, but I know he sells something, like he sells a course something. Anyway, so he was talking all this trash, and look at this, look at him, look at this. The guy had he had a gold trade that lost $6,000. And he was trying to accuse JMU, and he was making fun of JMU for only making $400, and he lost $6,300 in one trade. The guy was such a poor loser, like on Twitter. It was comical. I got a kick out of it, man. It was Jinzo. And PTR, poor ICT just got thrown under the bus. The guy, PTR, got absolutely roasted. And as he should have. Like, dude, let me give you some friendly advice. Just take your loss like a man. All right? Nobody likes a loser. Nobody. And I mean nobody likes a sore loser. When they lose, like, well, but so-and-so, you only lost being blah, blah. Like, dude, just take your loss and move on. It's fine. It's not that deep, you know? Oh, man. Who else was? Oh, Rips. Rips was talking all kinds of trash, and he has yet to make a trade today. Come on, man. Are you kidding me? Maybe it just hasn't updated. Actually, yeah. When does somebody know when the Tradeify Grand Cup updates? Yeah, don't take it like a girl. Exactly. It's so dumb. Okay, we need to pay attention here. Come on, give me a pullback at least to the 10s. I need the 2 10s at minimum. And I am not going to chase today. Not going to happen, market. Don't even tempt me. Don't even tempt me. So it updates at 12 p.m. Do you like my car? How about this one? Exactly, John. Exactly. I don't know, like, why do people make these Twitter posts of, like, showing off? Like, I don't get it. I guess I'm just too old school, but people that are showing off their money, like, oh, look, I'm rich. Like, that is just the cringiest thing to me. I don't get it. That is cringy to me. It's like, so what? You're rich because you're definitely not rich because of trading. You're rich because of affiliate codes or because you sell a course or a Discord or blah, 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 whatever the reason is, but nobody cares. All right? Nobody cares. It's so cringy. If I ever do that, chat, if I ever do that, please just disable me. Like, take me out. Please. That's his commercial. It's my YouTube every day. It's insane, John. You know, people, okay, let me give you guys a little hint. I'm just gonna give you guys a little hint. All right. If you see traders running ads, like literally running ads for affiliate codes or selling courses or Discords or any services, I can guarantee you they don't make money trading live. They don't make money trading. All right? Book it. And I just don't get it. I don't get it. But what do I know? You know, what do I know? I'm just a dumb ex-Amish that knows nothing. I know nothing. By the way, chat, do you guys remember this morning? It's a cool story. Cool story, chat. This morning we bought at the 940s down here. That's a pretty cool story, huh? Actually, I discovered I can now show my executions again. I discovered they've moved it up here. So look, we bought up here and we sold all the way up here. This here was the worst trade of the day right here. Man, so bad. Jinzo, I had Ben SMC ad on my Instagram last night. Are you serious, Jinzo? That would make me delete the app. Like, that would actually make me delete the whole thing. Just everything. I don't want to ever see it again. Some do, but most don't. Yeah, maybe it's fair. Some probably do. Tim, how we doing, Tim? You would buy my course? Hey, I always would. I've always said, if I ever sell a course, I'm going to sell a course. I'm going to sell a course, and all it's going to be, I'm going to explain to you why you don't need to buy a course. Think about it. It's like playing chess instead of checkers. But I'm going to buy you a course. It's going to be the secret. I'm going to present it and promote it like this is the secret sauce for trading. That's how I'm going to promote it. And then people are going to buy it for, I'm going to probably have to charge like $199 just to make sure people actually think there's value in it. And then you're going to get the course, you're going to pay for it, and you're going to open it up. And I'm just going to explain to you in very plain English that you do not need to buy a course. And if you really think about it, it's kind of doing a service to everybody. It's like, hey, you know, people are like, oh, you know what? I'm so glad I bought that. Because now I don't have to buy more. I know that courses are not the answer. I don't know. Something to think about, chat. Think about how many payouts you would need to buy that horse, the stud. Why don't you make a Discord server? Wait, fix my mic. What's wrong with my mic? Is something wrong with my mic? Nah, you joking. Michael, is something wrong with my mic? Can you send me my chart trader template, please? I can't figure it out like yours. My colors are horrible. I watch you from Switzerland. Letho, I don't even know how to do that. Sounds fine here. All right, I thought it was fine. But yeah, I just don't like Discord. I mean, I'm not going to make a Discord, not because I don't like you guys, but I've just seen too many other Discords to know what I'm going to get myself into. There's going to be all these spammers, all these faker, like just, then I'm going to have to spend time managing it and all that stuff that I'm not going to charge for a Discord. So it's going to be free. So then I don't know. It's just not attractive to me. Wait, aren't we on a course right now? Maybe. Hey, good morning, Mamba Fox. I would, you know what I should do? I should actually do it, but I would feel bad. I would feel bad charging people $200. I would feel bad. I would probably get charged back like crazy, kind of rightfully so. It's like, you bought my course. Congratulations. Oh, what was it about? Just how you don't need courses. That's it. Maybe I'll do it for like an April Fool's prank. I'll do it where it's a one-day sale only on April Fool's. Silly Amish. What am I going to do? I'm going to post pictures of my lawn in Discord. That's all I would do. You guys would get so sick and tired of it. Sell a course and explain how you're not doing it for the money, but for the love of the game. Wink, wink. Yeah, exactly, Benjamin. It's kind of like Dodgy. Dodgy, which is the king. Dodgy is the king at one thing. It's not trading. Dodgy is the king at rage baiting. Dodgy, there's no one else better on Twitter than Dodgy rage baiting people. He's got that down to a science. But he rage baited the other day saying that somebody offered him $10 million to buy his Discord channel, but he declined. He declined $10 million because he loves you guys so much. I'm just going to be honest with you, chat. Okay, we're going to be very real right now. If somebody ever offers me $10 million for my YouTube channel, you'll never see Nutty again. I'll disappear. You won't see me. You'll be like, what happened to Nutty? It's like, I don't know. I think he died. You've never seen me. But if somebody pays me $10 million for my YouTube channel and I don't have a YouTube channel anymore, I'm really sorry, chat. I'm really sorry. I apologize, but I'm going to take it. Oh, it's insane. It's not going to happen. Yeah, I think that's a pretty safe bet, Mr. Wall Street. Pretty safe bet. Did this really not come? Wait, did I miss my entry, chat? Was I talking too much? What an idiot. I did miss my entry. You are so stupid. What? Did I actually? I thought, I mean, I technically wanted the 200s. But I probably would have taken that. Okay, now I'm a little upset. That's unfortunate. You'll have to stay on for a smooth transition. I think I did call 210 and I didn't take it. Just take the 10 million and start a new gingerbread channel. I could do that. I did miss it. I did miss this. It's fine, chat. It's fine. We can chase. We can chase this move and it'll be fine. Excuse me, chat. Oh, man. Black Coffee took a dentist trade. That's brave. Took a dentist trade. Just going to the dentist is brave on the first, just to start with. Taking a trade while at the dentist, that's next level, man. That is next level stuff. I know how much I love. Yeah, exactly. There are very few things I like less than the dentist. I absolutely despise going to the dentist. I don't, if you ever find a person that enjoys going to the dentist, immediately disassociate yourself with that guy, because the guy is probably a serial killer, like for real. There's something majorly wrong with him or her. Wow, this market. You know what? We're going to get more opportunities today. I know it. But man, I'm sad I didn't take that. That's 50 points. Ah. This might actually be one of those days where we just keep grinding higher. We've had multiple times where the afternoon session, we just roll over. Today might be different. It might be. But we gotta be looking at that 350 level, right? Gotta be. I feel like I get judged too much at the dentist. Yeah, I agree. I agree. It's like you go to the dentist, you just know you're about to get scolded. It's like, do you brush? Do you even brush? And I'm like, yeah, I brush every day. Do you floss? I'm like, no, I don't floss. I'm not a psychopath. I don't floss. Okay. There is no need to floss. Don't even come at me with that. If I brush, it's clean enough. All right. Think back 100 years from 100 years ago. 100 years ago, you think people were flossing? No, they were not. So don't tell me that I have to floss. That is an absolute, I'm just, that's fake. That's just some fake stuff. All right. We're just going straight up now. We are going straight up. Hang on, chat. Give me 1 second. We're back. Oh man, I'm so happy with the landscaping. Landscaping is done, finished. I wish I could show you. I should show you guys before and after. See that? Before, after. Ah, you can't see that. Ah, maybe I can show you on here. Just realized something. Ooh, Chad, I almost forgot. We have pool school. We have pool school at 12. Oh man. You know what? I forgot about that, but let's do, hang on, chat. Just give me a minute. Guys, let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway really quickly. We're gonna do five take profit trader accounts. 5 take profit trader accounts. Exclamation mark NBT. I go to pool school. Exclamation mark NBT. All right, I need to, hang on. I want to show you guys. Man, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, hang on. I got to go. Be right back. Hey, we're back. All right. All right. Final walkthrough. Okay, 3 minutes chat to get entered on the for a giveaway. Exclamation mark NBT. Are we gonna get another pullback? Man, this thing really just grinding higher. Pretty crazy how fast it's going up at a pretty steep angle. You only can enter once. You can only enter once, Michael. So if you're in, you're in. All right. I think we'll do a duck race. We'll do a duck race today. We haven't done a duck race in a while. We'll do a duck race. The top 5. I do have to I kind of man, do I need to buy this? I feel like we should. We're just going to keep that trade on until the duck race is over, and hopefully it'll just hit my profits. I think there's $100 missing from your P&L. I agree. I think we should get it right now. All right, chat. I'm going to let us do the duck race. Duck race. We got to get it situated here. All right. Here we go. All right, we are going to pick 15 names. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. The first name is Bazooka Trader. Bazooka Trader. Congratulations. Next name is Arrow Boy. Arrow Boy 04Y. Next name Gonzaga M8. Gonzaga M8X. Good luck to you, my friend. Next name. Hey, Clyde Bruckman. Clyde Bruckman. Next name. Oofs GG. Oofs GG. Good luck. Next name. Shante R4D. I don't know. I'm butchering these names. Next name. Greed Tablet. Greed Tablet. Good luck. Next name is Clarity Trader. Let's go, Clarity Trader. Good luck. Next name, Star Chaser 2000. Star Chaser 2000. Next name, Sand Boy Bacca. Good luck. All right, we gotta eliminate, we gotta remove 5 names. Don't worry, you're still in the duck race. All right, next name, Trader Klein. Trader Klein. Good luck, Trader Klein. Next name is Always Wrenching 9166. Good luck. Next name, Justin Low TW. Justin is in the duck race. Good luck. The next name, hey, look at this. R5 Studios. Let's go, R5 Studios. Good luck, man. Next name, Trip Candy. Trip Candy. It's been a while, Trip Candy. Good to see you. Okay, that was 15 names. 15 names are in. Let's go. What is my market doing? Market, you idiot. Why are you going lower? You're supposed to go higher. I'll keep an eye on it. I'll keep an eye on it. All right, now, where is my other screen? Where are you? Well, that ain't it. Give me a second, chat. I need to make sure. There we go. Now we're talking. All right, here are the names. 15 names. We have 15 names. We're going to do a 2-minute race like usual. Let's turn on the sound. Man, this market's going to annoy me, isn't it? All right, sound is turned on. We are going to shuffle the characters one time. All right, are you ready? Clarity Trader is in the race. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Trip Candy is here. All right. Everybody is in, ready to rumble. And they are off. All right, here we go. Here we go. We've got R5 Studios. We've got Trip Candy and Clarity Trader as the fan favorites. Trader Klein. And right now we've got R5 Studios taking the small lead. Gonzaga M8 is currently in the lead. Clyde Bruckman is making a move. The Panda Duck has taken the lead. Clyde Bruckman, Trader Klein. Clarity Trader is at the top of your screen and making a move. Clarity Trader, the queen. It's the queen, Clarity Trader, trying to make a move into first. Here comes Trip Candy. Trip Candy is at the bottom of your screen and has a full-length lead. Sand Boy Bacca now trying to make a move, and he pulls up even with Trip Candy. Star Chaser 2000, Donald Duck. Donald Duck now in the lead. Here comes Trader Klein, Trader Clown. Trader Klein now is in the lead. It's very congested with 45 seconds to go. Who's it going to be? Star Chaser, Always Wrenching, now takes the lead. Arrow Boy is in the lead, tied for the lead. Here comes Clarity Trader. R5 Studios trying to make a move. R5 Studios, Trip Candy, Clarity Trader. They're all in it. They're all in it with 20 seconds to go. Who's going to pull ahead? You only need top 5. Trip Candy has the lead. Can Trip Candy hold on? Where's R5 is falling back and Clarity is falling back. Oh no, here comes R5 Studios. R5 Studios gonna win it. Oh, R5 Studios came out of nowhere and he takes home the prize. Congratulations. I don't know who got top 5. I'm not sure. Man, it was so congested. It's going to be kind of anybody's game. I don't know, man. All right, we're going to have to wait for the third-party verified results. Yep, here we go. Verified third-party results are officially here, and it's going to be up. Here's the top 5. Oh, man. Top 5 in 5th place. Always Wrenching 9166 comes in 5th place. Coming in 4th place, Arrow Boy 04Y. And coming in 3rd place, Greed Tablet. And coming in 2nd place is Clyde Bruckman. And as you saw in 1st place, R5 Studios. Congratulations, R5 Studios. I'm really curious, where did everybody else finish at? Oh no, Clarity Trader. Clarity Trader in 15th place. Oh, I'm sorry, man. Trip Candy in 13th place. Everybody was very close at the end. It just became a big old cluster mess. Oh, yeah, I hate to see it. All right, well, there you go. That is the final results. Now, let's see what our trade is doing. Oh, I like. Come on, market. You know you can go higher. Just do it. All right. Now, if you placed top 5, this is what you need to do. Give me a minute. I'm going to type in the chat. All right, here. Send me an email to nuttybar1983@gmail.com and include a screenshot of your YouTube channel and your Take Profit Trader email. All right, chat, top 5, that's what I need from you guys. I need your Take Profit Trader email. Send an email to me, nuttybar1983@gmail.com. Include a screenshot of your YouTube channel just to make sure that it's you. And I will get your account sent over. Should be end of day tomorrow for sure, sometime tomorrow. So, all right, guys, that's it. I have to run. We have pool school. That I need to attend, and I don't know what's going to happen with this trade. I'm going to leave this trade on. Hopefully, we don't start rolling over. But I got to run. 12 o'clock is when pool school starts, so got to go. All right, chat. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate everybody. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we will be back tomorrow. Take care, and God bless.